Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about firelighting. There's traditional fire starting methods, like this flint and steel. I'm not sure if you can see the sparks that's coming off of it. And you know, they're good enough, you can get a fire going, but it's hard work. And many people that are into bushcraft try and maintain these older traditional fire starting methods, you know, with friction fires and things like that. Or they may, you know, compromise and use like a ferro rod, so it's very similar principle to the flint and steel. Ferro rods are great. And I recently did a video showing what I'd suggest as a recommended timbers to begin with, for people that are getting used to how to use them. But you can just use, you know, what lots of those people would deem as cheats. Things like matches. And they're a great way to start a fire. As long as it's not wet or windy. It's not so great when that happens, as you see. So, what about if you just get yourself a cheap gas lighter? It's a much stronger flame, but also not good with wind. Get yourself a decent but cheap windproof lighter. I got this one off the internet for £2. It's not a Zippo, but it looks like a Zippo. It does the job. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter how you get your fire started. You got out there and you got a fire and you're having fun. And whilst it's important to learn these skills, you know, and to be able to get a fire going in different situations, don't let it be a barrier to you, you know. And don't, you know, you might just want to have the convenience of an instant fire. Crack on. Doesn't matter. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. So anyhow, till next time, take care guys.